The question is, which programming language would you be interested to learn from? There's always this R versus Python debate. So the first thing is we want to make sure you start your programming development the right way initially. Okay, let me show you what I found on this website here, datacamp.com, which does a lot of boot camps for data science. So they have this infographic on the difference between the two of R and Python. These are the advantages and disadvantages with each. We don't really care about community and history, care about results. Okay, so you can see here that Python is more popular than R. The data field analysis for research, trading ideas and confirming trading ideas and so on and so forth. So here is where R on the left and Python on the right. So what really R is really built for is more exploratory. R is easier for beginners. Statistical models can be written in a few lines. But here's the advantage that you get with Python. It's a fully fledged programming language, a good tool to be implemented for algorithms for production use. And that's what a lot of trading operations use. It doesn't matter if it's coming in from institutional, high-speed traders, high-frequency trading shops, hedge funds, whatever. That's what they're using Python for, exactly this. R is handy for data analysis because of the huge number of packages, blah, 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 blah. Basic analysis without installation of big data sets, data table, and DPLYR. Now, here's the good advantages or decent advantages with Python. InfoC packages for data analysis was an issue in the past, but that has improved a lot. They brought out two packages that you could use, NumPy and Pandas, for data analysis. And that's all you need to really use. I mean, there's a few other ones that we mentioned here. So we talk about the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. We have our studio. Here we have Spider, which I've used, IPython Notebook, which is now called Jupyter. And basically what that means is one I would recommend using called PyCharm, which has come a long way. The Community Edition, you can use that for free. And here's some of the popular packages you can get with R. Zoo for data transformation, and a few other ones. And this is the big dilemma I have with R, is that transitioning from one data type to another can be very time consuming with R. The good thing about R I'll give is the ggplot is quite good for the visualization, but here is the popular libraries or packages you can get with Python. Obviously I mentioned Pandas, NumPy, which is quite good, SciPy, which is quite good, Matplotlib, which is decent for visualization. And again, these are all free. Support, well, the support I find is just a lot better on Python. Here, languages for data analysis. R is still number one. And then remember, this is a while back, so this may have changed. Analysis of R, Python used together, combined, you could definitely do that. Number of queries, activities, blah, 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 blah. Last stand, pros and cons. Simplify your workflow when using with data with Python. R plus visualization, again, that's a strength of R. No doubt about that. Then we get into the project itself, our project. So if you're really brand spanking new, I find ours really to set up with the repositories. They're quite easy when it comes to readability, learning curve. It's about the same with Python, but the advantage is that with Python you can, basically they're teaching kids how to code with Python. So less time, more time playing, very true with Python. And it's a more fully fledged programming language versus R. So that's just my experience. And it's easier to extend your Python scripts to other languages as well. Let's see what else we've got here. The community, blah, 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 blah. See, Python's a more multi-purpose language, which is very true. R is really for statistics, for basically using with statistics. And it is being used throughout industry, but here's the problems. R is slow. Python and visualization is the negative part of Python. This has come a long way. If you look at visualization in Python with Bokeh, that's quite a good package. The Matplotlib's good. Seaborn I looked at, it's decent, but the Bokeh is really where it's at. Here R is slow, but you got all these weird packages I've never used to really speed it up. The learning curve. Yeah, R can be complicated. It's a kind of what I consider an ugly language, but it's developed again for statisticians, which can really bog you down. Python is immature. It's a challenge. Yes, it's a fully fledged language. That's why it's a challenge, but it's more than just data analysis. You can do more in Python. Everything's all open source, advanced tools, online community, blah, blah, blah. And the winner is, they say it's a tie. Please give me a break. I'd probably prefer you to learn Python. That's what I've got for everybody coming into my community. And that's probably what I would encourage people to use, because ours has its limitations as I explained. So hopefully I'll help you out. So, is this free? Why? It's a blatant bribe. Try my new trading service simply called Quant Analytics. Live video conferences, review your trading idea, improve your position entry exits, enhance your automation. Anything you need, we do it together, live, every week. Plus, I post daily charts to help you in your trading decisions. These charts enable you to do better forecasting for your trading plans. Better forecasting equals improved analysis. Get more money. Blueprints for optimal parameters. Implement rules to protect your capital. Charts, rules, parameters, you get it all. Plus, you get reports on my analysis of my custom trading system alerts. These reports reveal the results of massive trading testing and simulations for optimal returns, showing you what's working, what's driving revenue, lowest risk, highest reward, and more. All done in real time that gives you real trader's edge. You'll be looking over my shoulder as I test new strategies, create new position weighting techniques, optimize trading processes, and grow your money. It's like getting a call from me personally every week, giving you a behind-the-scenes rundown of everything that makes the most money right now, and then showing you how to model it in your trading decisions fast. So you're probably wondering about the cost. So remember, you get everything. The live video conferences, get more money techniques, look over my shoulder charts, and the reports charts with confidential videos where my systems help you implement everything for just $97 a month. There's no contract. You can cancel anytime. Plus, you can keep all my bonuses, save time, jumpstart your systematic trading on me, free. Hours of trainings, yours free just for becoming a member. Now, let's talk about the membership dues. Like I said, it's just $97 a month. Not prohibitively expensive, but enough to keep the freebie-seeking knuckleheads at bay. But for the right person, membership should pay you. Think about this. Would it be worth $97 to have my system create an automated trading process for your future this month? If you're like most people, you'd tell me you'd probably pay for your membership several years over, just with the proceeds from the one trading strategy. You'd probably tell me that everything else after that one strategy would be gravy. I want to make this an absolute no-brainer for you. Plus, I take a lot of pride in helping members win big. Think about it this way. Would it be worth $97 for you to spend an entire month looking over my shoulder, having me walk through every trading decision, every analysis, every market entry, exit decision, personally showing you what's working best and helping you deploy it in your trading decisions? The charts and reports I post every day are meant to give you that same experience. And here's something else to consider. Would it be worth $97 to jump online with me weekly and have me potentially review your trading idea? That's what we do in the live video conferences. Plus, you can see your fellow members and get ideas from what's working for them as well. If any of these scenarios sound like they might be valuable to you, that's a no-brainer. And that's why you should accept my bribe and become a member today. Remember, there's no contract and you can cancel anytime. Plus, you can still keep all my gifts free. And here's something interesting about the cost of membership. If you do the math, it's just $3.12 per day. Let's face it, $3.12 is not going to change your life. But the work we can do together can change your trading. Accept my generous bribe today and become a member. Be part of a small group of high performers that share valuable information the rest of the world never discovers. You'll be discovering the latest cutting-edge trading strategies and tactics before your competitors know what hit them. And you'll be able to take fresh new strategies that are created and tested by me personally and plug them into your trading every single week. Plus, you get to connect with me and your fellow members every week, live on video conferences, so you can get the help, guidance, and focus that you need. Won't you accept my offer and become a member today? Remember, you're under no obligation to remain a member and cancel at any time. And you can still keep all the gifts free. Speaking of gifts, there's one more thing I want to show you. Hours of video training on these topics. Interactive brokers, automation techniques, introduction to volatility trading, how to build a trading computer, machine learning to trading strategies. Accept this offer and become a member today.